Hello friends, Assalamualaikum. This is Qasim from NoCodeAPI. In this video, I'm going to teach you a very simple automation where you are going to fetch your analytics from Google using an API which we built in NoCodeAPI, and we are going to send the analytics of our choice in our own Telegram bot using another API which we again built in NoCodeAPI. And to connect these two APIs, we will need automation, for which we will be using Integromat. I have already built one workflow. I will show you how it works. So here in this workflow, you can see that there are two circles. One fetches the data from Google and the other one sends the data to Telegram. If I run it, I will receive a notification on Telegram, and when I open my Telegram, I will see the result showing in my Telegram bot. So to build it, I will be using NoCodeAPI. To start, we will head over to NoCodeAPI.com, log into our dashboard, and our email address, our password, login. After I have logged in, I will go to the marketplace. Here, look for Google Analytics. Click on Use this API. Here I have already one which I am using for personal use. I am not going to delete it. We are going to start one from scratch. You will have to select Make Google Analytics API. This sidebar will open with a form inside it. Click on Add another account if you already have connected your Google Analytics ID with NoCodeAPI. So allow NoCodeAPI to access your Google Analytics, and you will be redirected back to NoCodeAPI. We have given NoCodeAPI permission. Next, give your API a name, for example demo, and to get your view ID, you will have to go to your analytics page, and you will find your ID listed at the end of your URL after this letter P. So copy this ID and paste it over here. You will also find your ID this settings tab or portfolio tab, and here you will see that it is 1977796777. It is the same one here. Because I cannot copy it, I will copy it from the URL, paste it here, click create, and our endpoint will be created, which will fetch our analytics or metrics for maybe page views. And I want to say that I want to get the page views for last 7 days, and if you want to make it for 1 week, make it 6 days ago, so that today is included and you will get your analytics for 6 days. And you can see that our endpoint has been created. Now one endpoint is created to fetch these analytics, and the next endpoint which we are going to embed in the second circle, we are going to use Telegram for that. To build the Telegram bot, I have already made a video on how to build a Telegram bot. You will find it under the description to show you how it is working, that it is this Telegram bot. If I send a message to this bot, I should receive a message in Telegram like this, ASDF. So I have two endpoints ready. One is to fetch the Google Analytics information, and the other one is to send this information using Integromat into the Telegram. Now we are going to head over to Integromat.com. Once you go to your dashboard, you will have to click on create a new scenario. In their free package, you will get maybe 3 automations. I have already 2 used, so I will be using this third one to show you. Click continue, and in your HTTP, create a make HTTP request, and here I am going to go to my applications and to get the Google Analytics, where it is. Yes, so I will use this API. I already had one, so I am going to say 6 days ago. Run this endpoint, copy it and paste it over here. This is a get request, so don't change it, don't change the header, make the body type to raw, and in content type change it to text/plain, and parse this response so that this response is converted from text to JSON. Click OK and run it once, so to show Integromat the format of your request. Next, click on add another module. Here we are going to make another request, and we are going to put our Telegram endpoint in the second circle. Go to Telegram, click on use this API. Here I have one use this API. I will use this endpoint, send some message, and it is going to show me the endpoint. I will copy it to my clipboard, paste it back over here, and I will change the last question part, text equals part. I will remove it from here, and in the query string I will add the text here, and in the value I will say that I will just say that if this automation is working, just data add, okay, and run it, and if this cycle completes okay, I will know that our endpoint is working right. But it did not send me a message. I think I did not attach the right message over here. So I will say that this is the portfolio page views 7 days ago or week maybe, and under this I will say that total views. Next I will say minimum on any given day, and then I will say maximum on any given day. To get my total views, I will click on this data, go to data again. Here I will go to total values and click on this. This will give me the total page views. To get minimum number of views on any day, I will click on minimum values 1, and to get maximum on any given day, I will click on maximum values 1. Click save, OK, and run it. It should send a message to our Telegram. So it did not send a message. I think I am doing a mistake here. It is not a GET request, it is a POST request. Okay, so I will make a POST request again and see if it works. So I got a message in Telegram, and it shows me that it has per week page views, total views in this week I had 460, minimum on any day were 4, and maximum were 184. So you can see that we can build other kind of automations if we use this particular technique. Like we can fetch weather updates in the left circle and send them to Telegram, or we can push some data to Airtable. So there are a number of automations which are possible. The key issue which we face is we do not know a certain way any company has built their API. In NoCodeAPI, all these APIs are listed to build in one particular fashion. So if you learn to make one API, you can build all other APIs. I hope you learned so many things in this tutorial. If you liked it, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, leave your feedback, and that is it. If you have any queries, click on this support button over here and we will get back to you. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.